Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Hirsch, and today we are going to be working on a couple of crowns on 14 and 15. Number 14 has some decay on the margin, and there was definitely an open contact between 14 and 15. 14 was sparking like a son of a gun as we kept hitting the pin with a donut diamond, so we got sparks flying everywhere. Number 15 has a failing root canal. It looks like there was a missed mesial buccal canal too. It's perforated into the sinus, and he's got some thickening of the membrane on the floor of the sinus. We're going to be using the Sirona CEREC machine in doing the restoration, both the imaging for the impression and also constructing the crown on our MCXL milling machine. We prepped the tooth, we took our optical impressions, and we were able to do all of the imaging without powdering. We did our initial imaging and then we cut out tooth number 14. We utilized the Isolite because we could go ahead and it just made the procedure go a whole lot smoother and a whole lot faster. I could concentrate on what I was doing and didn't have to worry about anything going down the throat. I didn't have to have my assistant in the mouth evacuating it all. All the water that we're using is evacuated without any additional suctioning from my assistant. So I feel really comfortable letting my assistant go. If I was doing this without an Isolite, it's a lot more work. You need more personnel. You need to be much more concerned about the safety of the patient if you're not utilizing an Isolite as when you are utilizing an Isolite. It's just nice, and it's a great feeling knowing that you're safe and you just take one worry out of the office that day.